Congratulations on your choice of a Fisher Paykel EcoSmart washer. It's going to ease the load in your laundry. EcoSmart is simple to use, saves time, energy, and money, and takes very special care of your clothes. Fisher Paykel is a New Zealand-owned whiteware and electronics manufacturer, acknowledged globally as a pioneer in the home appliance market. Founded in 1934 by Sir Wolf Fisher and Maurice Paykel, today Maurice's son Gary is at the helm. It's a dynamic company with a family culture. The average length of service at Fisher Paykel is 15 years. Driven by innovation, the company is constantly perfecting technology to deliver better products. Smarter, easier to use, more efficient, and more economical. While striving to advance technically, Fisher Paykel maintains a strong people focus. We're here to help our staff and our customers. Call our customer care center and you'll be talking to a real person, not anonymous voicemail. We provide the service you deserve. Fisher Paykel has warehouses throughout the country, all supported by a head office in California. EcoSmart has made huge progress in Fisher Paykel's clothes care program, and it's made a significant contribution to the environment. It's the most energy-efficient top-loading washer in America and proudly boasts the Energy Star. And through thousands of hours of testing and research, EcoSmart has taken us to new levels of washing excellence. We listen to our designers, our engineers, and people just like you. By attaching a machine to a computer, we found out the best way to wash different fabrics and load sizes. We programmed the information into a microprocessor and incorporated it into an electronic drive system, creating the world's first fully electronic washing machine. High-tech, high-performance. EcoSmart uses Fisher Paykel's smart drive system, connecting an intelligent variable speed brushless DC motor to the agitator. Each stroke of the agitator is automatically adjusted in response to the cycle and water level. Gentle agitation for delicates and a more powerful treatment for dirty, heavy-duty loads. Let's run through a wash and you'll see how easy it is to get started. Sort your load according to garment and fabric types, color, linting properties, and level of soiling. And make sure you do up the zips and hooks, and don't forget to check the pockets. Solid objects can cause damage, and tissue paper makes a real mess. Before we get underway, a quick word about bleach. Detergents with built-in bleach work well in this machine. Take care when using a concentrated product. You need only half the normal dose. Your EcoSmart uses much less water than a conventional machine, so you need a lot less bleach. If you do use it, dilute well and add it before you put your clothes in your machine. Pour the diluted bleach down the inner surface of the agitator stem in line with the fins. Then place the garments evenly around the bowl, taking care not to wrap them around the agitator. You can use either a powder or a liquid detergent, but measure it properly, using less for lightly soiled loads and a little more for a dirty wash. Guides on the side of the agitator will help you with your measurements. Pour the detergent in here and replace the dispenser. The dispenser is for liquid softeners, but to avoid unpleasant buildups, we suggest you use softener sheets in the dryer. However, you have the choice, and regular cleaning of the dispenser and a warm permanent press cycle once a month will help control the residue. And don't forget to use the softener rinse option if you're using liquid. This disperses the product correctly. And whether you're using liquid softener or not, always replace the dispenser to stop small items falling down the agitator stem. Now you're ready to go, and there's very little to it. For most washers, just two simple buttons will do the trick: power and start. Your EcoSmart will select a regular warm water cycle and automatically adjust the water level. However, if you want to control your wash manually, you can. EcoSmart offers 6 cycle types, 3 spin speeds, and 5 different washing temperatures, all controlled from this simple, soft-touch panel. You can change the water temperature, select permanent press or heavy duty, all at the touch of a button. Your use and care manual explains the options, but let me show you 1 or 2 of them. If you want to change the wash temperature, say from warm to warm-cold, simply press the arrow down once. If you want a slow spin speed instead of fast, press the arrow down twice. With Favorite, you can program your own customized wash cycle. If you like to wash delicates in cold water with a medium spin, for example, here's what you do. Simply hold down the Favorite button until it gives 2 quick beeps and the light flashes. Make your individual selections, then push the Favorite button again to save. Now, whenever you select Favorite, you'll get a medium spinning, cold, delicate wash. Extra features include a 2-hour soak at the end of agitation, time saver for a quick wash, and delay start. The advanced button can shorten the wash cycle, reduce the cycle to rinse and spin, or to spin only. When you turn your EcoSmart on and select any cycle except permanent press, you will see a distinctive series of lights on the display panel. The first 2 are amber and show your EcoSmart is in the first phase of its unique dual-action wash system. The machine starts to fill with the water temperature selected. If you've chosen warm, EcoSmart controls the hot and cold to reach the right temperature. But here's the difference. EcoSmart only fills the bowl until the clothes are saturated, much like a front loader. This small amount of warm, sudsy water is circulated through the clothes. This action thoroughly dissolves detergent, activating its enzymes and bleaches, penetrating dirt at fiber level. This boosts soil removal before the agitation occurs, accelerating the wash process. Once activated, the enzymes and the bleach will continue to perform for the rest of the wash. This smart use of energy is why EcoSmart gets to wear the Energy Star. EcoSmart uses up to half as much hot water as conventional top loaders, saving energy. You'll notice that your EcoSmart will pause if you try to look inside during this time. You can take a peek, but for safety reasons, the machine will stop when you lift the lid. EcoSmart will also assume you're adding clothes. To resume the wash, just press Start again. And the machine will reassess the load and add more water if necessary. After 3 minutes, the 2 amber lights disappear, and EcoSmart begins phase 2, filling with cooler water and agitating. But because of its head start, less mechanical action is needed to clean your clothes, and less wear and tear means your clothes will last longer. Permanent press gives you the option of a more traditional cycle with a conventional fill and agitate. The dual action wash is followed by Fisher Paykel's unique shower rinse system, which reduces water wastage while delivering a superior performance. A series of multiple shower rinses and spins flush water through the clothes, progressively removing more and more detergent. To finish, the EcoSmart 1000 RPM spin leaves clothes noticeably drier, saving you more time and energy when using a clothes dryer. EcoSmart is also capable of slower spin speeds for delicate items. EcoSmart sounds different from other machines. More of a high-tech whir than an old-fashioned clunk. At times it'll pause and make no noise at all. Don't be alarmed. The computer is thinking, assessing the best treatment for your load. And when draining, the pump will pause every 10 seconds. As part of the unique lint removal system. 5 beeps signal the end of the cycle. However, if you hear more or it's erratic, refer to your use and care book. Log into secondary programming and even more features will be revealed. You can change the automatic water level, rinse procedures, the out-of-balance recovery, and even change the number of beeps at the end of the wash cycle. Here's how to adjust the automatic water level setting. When the machine is in the off position, press Start Pause and hold down. Then press Power. You'll hear 3 quick beeps. You're now in secondary programming. If you would like the auto water level to use less water, press a cycle button to the left of the delicate cycle. Favorite is the lowest setting. Or if you want to use more water, regular is the most generous setting. After making your selection, press Power to save it. EcoSmart will remember any adjustments even when unplugged from the wall. Other options are explained in the Use and Care book. Whether you're using our machine or caring for it, you can count on style, simplicity, and reliability. Fisher Paykel understands electronics. The company pioneered the first electronic washer back in 1984. Your EcoSmart is made with hardware and durable materials like stainless steel to make it last longer. And cleaning is so easy with the smart flat touch panel and the removable lid and agitator. And here's the best trick. To clean inside, just run the machine through a warm wash permanent press cycle once a month without the clothes. Simple to use electronic sophistication with mechanical reliability. There's a big difference between conventional washing machines and your EcoSmart washer. Your machine has fewer moving parts, greater reliability, and energy efficiency. It's driven by a smart variable speed motor directly connected to the agitator by a single stainless steel shaft. Smart electronics in the console control both the motor and the agitator, adapting to the needs of your wash. There's constant communication in much the same way as the human brain relates to the hand. As well as delivering an outstanding wash, EcoSmart can sense when it contains a big load and adjust accordingly, giving it a huge capacity, washing up to 18 towels. We guarantee it'll surprise you. As well as saving energy, EcoSmart saves water. Unlike conventional washers that half fill a bowl on the lowest level, EcoSmart just covers the base of the agitator. That's great for washing just 1 or 2 garments. EcoSmart performs brilliantly in cold water by regulating the temperature at 60 degrees. There's an automatic lint disposal system, and your machine can be programmed to balance itself. No more need to rearrange the load. EcoSmart is easy to install. Remove the bowl packer and transit restraint at the base of the cabinet. Rotate the agitator anti-clockwise 3 times to unscrew the transit restraint. Remove the cardboard packer and fit the 4 rubber inserts into the adjustable feet on the base of the machine. Direct the drain hose into the tub or standpipe using the guide and make sure the hose is between 33 and 47 inches high to stop water siphoning out of the machine. Place the sealing washers into the inlet hoses using the filtered ones at the straight ends. These should be attached to the wall with the elbow ends joined to the machine. Connect both hot and cold faucets even if you wash only in cold water. Check that the hoses aren't kinked or twisted and the connections are properly tightened. Turn on the water and check for leaks before moving the machine into its final position. Level your machine by adjusting the feet and use the bench, cupboard, sink, walls, or dryer as a guide. There should be about an inch clearance on either side of your machine, and when full, the inner bowl should sit slightly forward. This will stop the machine giving a premature out of balance warning. You can reduce drying time by up to 30% by combining EcoSmart's 1000 RPM spin speed with Fisher Paykel's super capacity 7 cubic foot dryer. You may need to adjust your timer accordingly. Available in gas or electric, it has 9 different drying cycles for all types of fabrics and loads. Electronic sensors detect exactly when your load is dry, and the extra care option helps prevent wrinkling. There's easy access through the wide door. A convenient interior light and soft touch controls make cleaning easy. The door swings open a full 180 degrees and can be hinged on either side for customized positioning. And the sturdy drying rack even handles washable shoes. Fisher Paykel's range of appliances include the sensational dish drawer, 2 independent dishwashers in one. Also endorsed by the Energy Star, the innovative dish drawer uses as little as 2.5 gallons of water per wash. You will have received your Fisher Paykel registration card with your washer. It's very important that you complete and return it to validate your warranty and extend it a further 3 years for parts. Also, if you have any queries or problems concerning your EcoSmart, refer to your use and care manual. And as a member of the Fisher Paykel family now, you can call the Customer Care Center for advice or operating instructions. In fact, you can call for just about anything on this toll-free number or visit our website. Enjoy your EcoSmart washer. It really is a smart choice.